Hello, friends. Do you keep forgetting your stuff at home? Like if you have a busy schedule and you have to pick up your kids and visit mom and call your GP, and you are rushing, you note down in your mobile, but battery run out, and now you're stuck. Do you get that kind of scenario? If so, watch this video until end. This is a memory game, how to improve your memory. Let me introduce myself. I'm Jasmine Tucker, motivational speaker, transformational life coach, and NLP trainer. Today, I'm going to show you few quick fix tricks to remember things, to improve your memory. You can use this memory to remember your daily tasks. Also, you can help these to improve memory for any student, your kids, or any older generation. They keep forgetting. You can play around the game like this, and it is very useful task. It's very useful trick here. So, what you're going to do? Say, for example, in the morning when you leave your home, you need your key, then you need to pick up a cup of coffee, and then you need to call your mother, and then in coming back you need to pick up your kids, and then you need to remember the laundry is out in the garden, so you need to pick up that before the call. So how you going to, and then you remember you need some apples as well. So you put down in your mobile as usual you do, but then your battery run out. What are you going to do? And you are so busy in the meeting, it's back to back meeting, and now you're scratching your head. What? No, you can do one thing. You have such a good storage, memory storage here. Just we need to tap into it. So I'll show you the one quick trick on it. So, like before you come out of your home, just remember you opening the door with the key. So you have a key with you. Then you going to the office. While you're going, you need to pick up the coffee. Yeah. So how I do is key in my hand to open the door, and I see my mother sitting in the garden talking on the phone. So you see the mother and the coal. There is a table next to the mother. On the table, you have a cup of coffee. Yeah. In the garden, children playing. In the garden, there is a laundry out there. And behind your mother, there is an apple tree. So if you picturize this much, the one picture, make it colorful, make it very emotional, like you talking to your mother, what dialogues you doing, uh, while the kids are playing, you shouting, be careful, don't jump, don't do that, don't break it. Put that kind of little scenario in between and make that picture, little picture. And then when you finish your meeting and you coming out, you see, just sit down for a few seconds, go through that picture, and everything will be there in one picture. Isn't it a good trick to remember everything? Other thing you can do is like, this is like the imaginary words you have. But sometimes if you say, like, if you there is no image of the things, like say oxygen, say hydrogen, carbonate. So how are you going to remember that? So that is a trick. Car bonnet, car. You going to the car, opening to the bonnet. Hydrogen you relate to hydrate means you're going to put the water. So you opening the car bonnet, putting the um, hydrating the car means you putting the hydrogen mean water, means the hydrate mean hydrogen, and you're going to see the ox. So ox to oxygen. So very small tricks. This is way another way you can do things like this, like when you might have used these, when you're setting the goals, they say you need to do the smart goals. So how you do smart? The smart means specific, M means measurable, r A means achievable, R means result oriented, T means timeable. So make it the word, one word from the whole scenario, so you can remember the one word. So this is the small tricks that you can use. You can play with your kids and the older generation who has a problem with memory, and also you can use it in your busy schedule as well. So I hope that has helped you to improve your memory. It will help you to do your day to day tasks and you enjoy your life. Take care. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.